Hi everybody, this is Dr. Matt over here at Premier Chiropractic Solutions. We've got Matthew in here with us today, and he's a long-time chiropractic patient, right? So he's been going to chiropractors ever since you were a kid, right?
For years, yep.
And he used to actually get a BJ Cal, which was a big-time guy in Spartanburg.
That's right.
Well, he used to work on you in his living room.
Yeah,
or
that's
like
right.
That. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And so he's been to all types of chiropractors. Here lately, he's been going to the Joint. They've been doing okay with him, but he's got this lingering pain in his neck here. For a couple weeks now, and one of his friends had come here and he recommended us to him, so we're going to check him out here and see what we can do. Come on over here, Matt. Face down for me. Alright, just relax. So starting out here, his left leg is short, not too bad, about a 1/4 inch. Lift it up, stay short, so sacrum's out a little bit. And your lower back doesn't bother you too much?
No, not generally.
And he does a lot of golfing, so we gotta keep him tuned up. And he kind of felt like he did it after sleeping, so he woke up after a round of golf and his neck was stiff and it just never went away, right?
That's right.
Is that pretty sore there? Not too bad.
That's not too bad.
How about this up here? Is that a little sore?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's sore.
The C1 and occiput, definitely out here on the left. Okay. All right, I'm gonna start down here on your hips and work my way up, okay? Relax it. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Just relax. There you go. Right here, deep breath. Out. Yep. Just relax. That's good. Right here, deep breath. Oh yeah. Okay. That middle back's a little stiff too, huh? Slide it down just a little bit.
Yeah, I think I've just been overcompensating.
Just let this relax. There you go. This side. Oh yeah. There it was. I'm just gonna maneuver you around like this. Yep. Relax. Loosen these ribs up some. Here we go. Oh yeah. Yep. All right here, just relax. Okay. So, yep, just totally relax. Good. That's pretty good mobility there. Oh yeah, stretch that out some. Okay. This side. Alright. Yep. There you go. Alright, Matt, on your side, face me. This right here. Okay, totally relax here. Yep. Very good.
Oh yeah.
Other side. Yep. Very good. Okay. On your back. Just relax. There you go. Yeah, totally relaxed. One more. There it goes. This side. There you go. Yep, just relax. Do you work out much at the gym? Not really.
No, just a lot of stress. That's what keeps me fit.
Alright, just relax here. Yep. One more. There it was. Yep. Not that good.
Oh yeah.
This arm. Yep. Palms are sweaty.
Yeah. Nervous on camera.
Alright, lift your head up for me. There you go. Yep, just totally relax. Yep. Oh, yeah. There it was. One more right here. Yep. Oh, yeah. Right. Yep, just relax. One more. Okay. Whew. Arms out like that. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah, as soon as that camera comes out, everything gets quiet. But that's good to show other people
Yeah.
what we do here.
And I thought this was going to be a safe space to talk about my wife and kids. But
What's going on YouTube?
Alright. Just relax there. Stay right here. Keep your head back here. This just helps to keep your head up over your shoulders. Good. Very good. Oh, yeah. Sit up for me. Okay, how's that feel so far?
yeah, I mean, I definitely feel like I just went through some things. I've always believed in, you know, in these adjustments and stuff, and you can tell who takes pride in it and who doesn't.
Right. Good. Alright, you ready for your ring finger?
I'm ready.
Come on over here. Sit here and lay it back. Alright, just relax there. Head up. Let it go. It's not too hot, is it?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Is that okay? Not too tight? Yep. Alright, now just relax and breathe through your nose. There you go, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Alright. You never had that adjustment before, have you?
That was the real deal.
Did you feel that most of the way down your back?
Oh yeah. I feel like it's still adjusting.
Yeah. Alright. Sit up on here. Stand up like that. Face that way. Alright, now this one here, I'm just going to tip you back. I'm going to have to pop you up, okay? Yep, just totally relax here. Yep. There you go. Oh, yep. And bring your elbows in front. Yep. Oh. Did you feel that one?
Oh yeah.
Very good. Alright, Matt. Is there anything you'd like to say about your experience today?
No, I mean, other than just the overall, just, you know, comfort, you know, coming in here and knowledge. I mean, I felt, you know, it's not easy to lay down on on the table and say, hey, here's my neck, you know.
Right.
But you guys made me feel very comfortable.
Good.
You know, like I said, as you said, I've been doing it for a long time, and I mean, that's as good adjustment, as thorough adjustment as I've ever had.
Very good.
Yeah, no, I really appreciate you guys. That was awesome.
Thanks.